Morning traders, hope you're well. It's Wednesday the 19th of August. Just looking at the EURCAD. Started looking at this yesterday when it made a nice move up initially to the 38.2 first bit of support. First bit of resistance. Now we've just come off that. We're just sitting at around 157 round number. Just want to see what it does here, if it can find some support here to then have another leg up. I'd like to see a long move up to 157.80, test the 50%. So the first target would be a retest of the previous high at around 157.40, and then the next level would be around 157.80 to 158. You can see that we've got a nice range that we're in. Just did loosely put a trend line on here just to sort of highlight and say, well, look, we're making higher lows each time, so it's created a sort of a channel, if you like. If you do it sort of like using that previous low, something like that, roughly. So you can see sort of like this here, where we came down and it broke through, made a low, and then we found support, tested it multiple times. This is a 1 hour chart, so you can see clearly in a little bit more detail, 1, 2, 3, 4 times over a period of about 3 or 4 days as well. So nice bit of support at around 156, and as I say, looking to try and find some longs at around 157. So there's about 100 pips. Of course, if it just breaks and goes below these EMAs and just breaks on down, maybe we'll test the trend line and then bounce. So it could do something like that, couldn't it? It could. Let's see, where's the arrow one? So we could do something like a little bit of a drop here to there, and then it could do a nice little move up, sort of like that, and then go higher, something. So we're just being patient at a minute. The markets have just opened. It's 8:30 London time, and we'll just see how this plays out. To look at it on on the pro charts, you can see that we've got selling pressure here on the daily. I highlighted this yesterday. So it did try and go up, but it failed, didn't it? It went up initially, got up to about 157.50. We were taking it long from around 157.06, so we had a nice little move up, and we're not holding positions at the moment. Or we try and keep something on the table, but we're definitely taking profit. We're not trying to just let things run during the summer, because liquidity is low, volume is low, and so things tend to move and then they just fell. So here we've got all this selling pressure coming in. We could just see a big nosedive. This might go down if the stock markets start rallying, and the stock markets have just had a nice little slam dunk to the downside, found some support, and now they're trying to rally. Strong rally as well, strong move at the moment off the lows, quite aggressive, quite quick. Looking at all the indices, they've just bounced to the downside, retested the downside, and now they've bounced some very strong move up. So it looks like they're going to go. A lot of buyers come in, so this may just tank and come down. But if it does find support, then maybe we'll have another leg up. If not, then we'll just wait and see what it does. Let it finish off this little move here. Could look by all means to get in and take a short down to around 157.80. Might give you like a 20 pip scalp or so. We'll see how this plays out.